Hello guys, Google Chrome is an all-time favorite browser for all the device platforms like Android and Windows. Google found one vulnerability in its official blog named Zero Day. The Zero Day, codenamed as CVE2021-30663 exploit. This exploit is used by hackers to steal the user's private data. The data are sold for millions of dollars on the dark side of the web. These bugs was already found and fixed by Google, but Google wants the users to update Google Chrome to fix these security flaws. If you are using the latest version, then there is no need to worry about these hackers. These exploits can be remotely accessed by the hacker to steal the user's information, passwords, credit card details, private photos, search histories, etc. The latest update is available. You can download and install it in Play Store if you are using an Android mobile. For Windows PC, open Google Chrome, go to Setting, then Help section, then go to the About section, then update your Google Chrome to the latest version. The recommended version by Google is 91.0.4472.164. Thanks for watching. Hope you all like this video. I am Manoj and this is VTuber.